Hey everyone! On the desk today is the Mayton AutoPro X, a wireless adapter for Android Auto with Samsung DeX support. We'll give it a clean, detailed unboxing, set it up in the car, see how quickly it connects, and then walk through the official product page so you can match every claim you hear with what you can see on screen. Let's start with the box. I peel the film. Thick, matte cardboard, neat edges, no flex. The lid seats snugly with zero play. Flipping the bottom, here's the label, zooming in so you can read it. Lifting the lid, the AutoPro X sits right on top in a molded tray. The unit itself is a compact, puck-style device with a slim profile. Solid, clean seams, and nothing creaks. Running a finger along the edge, no burrs, no rough cuts. Under the tray are the accessories, the AutoPro X adapter, a USB cable for your car's AA port, and a quick guide. And that's it. No fluff. Just what you need to hit the road and test immediately. If your package differs, I'm showing exactly what came in mine. Before we jump in the car, here's the connection logic so you know what to expect. With Android Auto, the initial handshake happens over Bluetooth. Then data moves over 5 GHz Wi-Fi. With Samsung DeX, the link is Wi-Fi Direct. In a real car, a typical connection takes under 20 seconds, depending on your head unit and phone. Now, let's go to the car for the first run. I plugged the AutoPro X into the same USB port the car uses for wired Android Auto. On my phone, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. For stability, I turn off power saving on the phone and set critical apps to no restrictions for battery. If DeX loses audio or Bluetooth after a phone call, reconnect Android Auto once. Subsequent connections are noticeably faster. I select Android Auto on the head unit and accept the prompts on both the car screen and the phone. The very first pairing can take a bit longer. A quick note on the updates and app. I recommend you check firmware before you start heavy testing. The firmware update page currently calls out version 3.7.2 with improvements to connectivity and audio, alongside earlier fixes like multi-touch, Bluetooth, faster boot, HUD tweaks for Android Auto, and general stability. The easiest way to update, and to send logs to engineers if needed, is via the AutoPro X app on Android. One tap, and you're current. Safety first. The product page carries a clear notice. Do not watch videos while driving. Keep your focus on the road. I fully endorse that. Your safety matters more than any feature demo. I test navigation, calls, and voice assistant. Everything should come up smoothly. If you get no audio, the maker's FAQ suggests doing a quick firmware downgrade upgrade cycle and making one clean Android Auto connection before using DeX, especially after a purchase, firmware update, or factory reset. Once Android Auto is connecting reliably, I switch to Samsung DeX. That gives you a desktop-like phone interface on the car's screen, so you can open any phone apps. Not every app is perfectly optimized for DeX, but it's powerful. That fix is recommended post-update or post-reset. For super short stops, say you step out for under a minute and Android Auto doesn't auto-reconnect, just toggle the phone's Wi-Fi on and off, and it usually snaps back immediately. Compatibility matters. The AutoPro X is purpose-built for Samsung Galaxy devices in the S, Fold, and Note families that support Samsung DeX. On the car side, you need a head unit that supports Android Auto. BMW and Tesla are not supported, so don't waste time if that's your vehicle. Always check the compatible vehicles and compatible phones list on the official site before buying. I'll show those in a moment so you can see the exact tables yourself. Alright, the official page so you can follow along visually while I talk. On screen now, the header reads AutoPro X Wireless Android Auto with Samsung DeX. Just below it are the key promises. Tailored for Samsung Galaxy users, hands-free calls and smart app access, clutter-free, wireless convenience. To the side, the Check Compatibility button. Click that and you'll see two branches. Compatible vehicle with a brand, model, and year table, BMW not supported, and compatible phones listing Galaxy S models from S8 through S24, Z Fold generations 1 through 5, and Note 8 through 20 Ultra, among others. I'll scroll through both lists a bit so you can gauge the scope. Back on the product card, you'll see the $98.99 price, the crossed out $199 price, and the badges for free international shipping, 30-day returns, and up to 1-year warranty. Handy if you're ordering internationally. A little further down, there's a device compatibility quick checker, with brand and model drop-down so you can look up your car and phone without digging through long pages. There's also a product visuals gallery. I'll flip through close-ups of the device and in-car shots. Some cars have embedded video demos that echo the same pitch. Wireless DeX plus Android Auto, media, and navigation. Scroll further and you'll find a full video, review, setup, and shorts section. Great if you want official walkthroughs before buying. Right beneath that, the important safety notice again. Don't play videos while driving. At the bottom, there's a review area. I'll skim a couple of recent comments on camera so you get a feel for real-world impressions. From the support menu up top, you can hop straight to FAQs, the AutoPro X app, firmware updates, and instructional videos. In the FAQ, they spell out exactly how Android Auto and DeX connect. Bluetooth handshake, then Wi-Fi, DeX via Wi-Fi Direct. Note that typical connect time is under 20 seconds. Remind you that Android Auto allows only Google-approved driving apps, and explain why you should disable power saving for DeX. They also list the practical fixes I mentioned earlier. After updates or resets, make one clean Android Auto connection before DeX. After quick in and out stops, toggle Wi-Fi if Android Auto doesn't pop back on its own. In instructional videos, there's a well-organized series. Initial connection, aspect ratio choices, icon and text scaling, language settings, the one-tap DeX to Android Auto toggle, pairing Bluetooth devices to AutoPro X, using your phone as a mouse, and split screen for two apps side by side. It is exactly the kind of content you'll want to overlay while I'm narrating. To wrap it up, if you've got a Samsung Galaxy with DeX and a car with Android Auto, and you want a fully wireless experience with the option to bring a desktop-style DeX to your car screen, Mayton AutoPro X checks those boxes cleanly and without fuss. Verify compatibility on the site, keep your firmware current, and remember the safety basics. Price, shipping, and warranty are right there on the page. I've shown them in this review. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions down in the comments. I'll test them on my unit, and update the video if anything changes.